Build OS Android v7.1.1 Nougat. Dimensions NA. Weight NA. SIM hybrid dual SIM, dual standby, nano SIM. Colors obsidian black, champagne gold, dark blue. Frequency 2G band SIM1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band SPA. 4G band LTE. Processor CPU 1.8 GHz octa-core Cortex-A53. Display technology IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, multi-touch. Size 6.0 inches. Resolution 1080 by 2160 pixels, ~403 ppi. Memory built-in 32/64 of a gigabyte built-in, 4 GB RAM or 128 GB built-in, 6 GB RAM. Card microSD card, supports up to 256 GB, uses SIM2 slot. Camera main dual 20MP plus 12MP, autofocus, LED flash. Features geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama, video, 1080p at 30 fps. Front 8MP, f/2.0, 1.4 micro-m, 1080p. Connectivity LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi Direct, hotspot. Bluetooth v4.2 with A2DP, LA. GPS Yes plus a GPS support, and GLONASS. USB microSD. NFC No. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G HSPA, 4G LTE. Features sensors accelerometer, compass, fingerprint, side-mounted, gyro, proximity. Audio 3.5mm audio jack, MP3/WAV/EAC+/FLAC player, MP4/H.265 player, speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch Yes. Extra active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, document editor, photo, video editor. Battery capacity, Li-ion non-removable, 3300 mAh. Fast battery charging, Charge 3.0.